And we are live! Yay! Okay, people, beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon po dito in UAE. Good evening, wherever you guys are tuning in from. Thank you so much for jumping in. We have many things here to discuss. It's an amazing story. Kaya po, join us live. And I'm going to introduce to you my business partner from Sharjah, UAE, Sis Helen Baroy. Sis, the stage is yours.
Yay! Thank you po. Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Uh, it's good to have here. I thank you po, Sister Jed, for having me here. And this is my first
Yes.
time doing this live. and
Congratulations. We'll just enjoy this. Alam mo naman, yung mga first natin is fine. Nagugulat na lang tayo, kayang-kaya naman pala. Okay, just to clear this up po sa lahat ng mga viewers natin, we are going to talk in our our natural language then. So people can also relate to us. Ako po pala si Jed Lopez and I am a digital owner dito sa UAE po and also traditional owner. Ito, andito ako sa second office ko sa Resta po. So, I do my digital works wherever I go. So, ito, kahit saan. And just to give you a little bit background, whatever we are doing, this live is actually just part of our level up challenge. So, it's not mandatory to all digital business owners in our community to do this. It's just that we joined a particular program that focuses on leveling up our businesses. So in individual forms and group. So kasama po ito sa aming mga challenge and so far, personally, I'm enjoying it. Ikaw ba, sis? Ano sa tingin mo?
Starting to, I'm starting to like it.
It's fine. Totally fine.
Yeah.
Very good. Okay. So I think we're going to start now on our interview with Sis Helen. We are going to hear her story. It's such an amazing one. So my first question, Sis, you ready?
Yeah, I will
Ready na po?
introduce myself. I will introduce muna myself pala. I haven't introduced
Oh, yes,
myself.
of course, yes.
Yes.
Okay.
I'm Helen Baroy.
Go ahead, sis. Let us know.
Actually po, my name is Helen Baroy and I'm a mom of two young adults. I'm a widow for how many years? Since 2003. O mag-count na lang po kayo. And then, I'm here in Sharjah, UAE, and currently doing this business, this online business. I was an accountant. Until now, I'm an accountant, but I'm not working as an accountant right now. But I worked in several companies also here in UAE before knowing or before I found this business. So that's it. Then we can just start doing our charting.
Okay. Thank you, sis. Thank you for that introduction. So, marami na po tuloy ang nakakakilala sa atin ng ating mga background. So, wala. Talagang super open na ang ating life to everybody. They are seeing real people, real backgrounds, real stories. Tayo po yun. Ayan. Okay. So, we'll start now with our first question, sis, ha?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Question number 1. Were you looking for a side hustle?
Actually, no. Not side hustle, but online accounting job. As recently, I lost my job and I don't want to work again in another place where I will be commuting again from this place to another place, time consuming. So I'm looking for that job which I will be just working from home at the comfort of my home. So that's it.
Mhm.
So my first impression when I discovered this,
Okay.
yeah. Okay, at first I got curious because whenever I open your website, you as my mentor, whenever I open it, I cannot say anything except for the landing page. But I kept on visiting your page since I watched your video ads and I checked your pages in FB. Since then, I was always checking this lady, and really your every post, especially the post of your digital business. You know those leads. I said, "What is this leads? What is this leads? What are these?" And I even took a screenshot and then
It's really actually, yeah, that's the same thing, no? I got curious at first.
because I really don't know what is this
Mm-hmm.
leads. And she's so happy. I said, "Oh, why she's so happy that having this leads? Leads is,
Your
you
line
know,
is kind
big
of choppy, sis.
chappy."
So yeah, because we are alive, so we don't have control of this. Like
Um, I don't know also, but my internet is not saying that it's poor connection.
yeah, we can't hear you well. Okay.
But
Oh,
my
yan, yan. Now you are clear.
okay, my microphone is on 100% already. Well, okay, but should I say it again?
It's okay. We heard it naman. So, what was your first impression when you discovered this?
Of course, I was. You know, when I joined that time, I was really hoping that this will be. This is actually I claim it, not hoping. I claim that this is really the business that I want. I claim that this is it's not a job for me, but it's a business that I was always planning to have. I have it on my mind, but I don't know
Mhm.
how it will be done. So when I joined, then I did my first step. I signed up on your page, and then I watched those webinars. You know, it got me. I was amazed with the people telling their journeys, their lives, how it changed their lives. You know, when they started doing this business, and also those people na uh, alam mo yung they are having that much debt also. Utang ba?
Correct.
Utang.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, correct.
And I can relate to that. That's why
Me
I
too.
really
Me too. We all do.
so I was really in a hurry during that time. But of course, the financial constraint is there.
Opo.
So I waited for some time to literally become a digital business owner. Yeah.
Okay,
Yes.
that's very good. So that's how it started. Okay, now, so apart from that,
Mm-mm.
can you share what truly inspired you to start your digital business?
Of course, that's the biggest thing. The biggest why of my life is
Correct.
my current bank obligation.
I know, I
Of
know. Mm.
course, and everybody knows. I don't know if there are people who doesn't have utang. I
Yes,
don't know.
I doubt po. Ewan. Siguro yung mga tayong mga normal na tao po, normal na rin po may ganun tayo. Because, yun nga po, because
Uh,
we don't make enough eh. We don't make enough. That's why
yeah,
we are looking for something else that will work for us to supplement pa po yung mga pangangailangan. So, ayun.
yeah,
Mm-mm.
and of course, I don't have like what I said. I was looking for an online job before, so I said, why not do this instead of looking for another online job? just focus on this, try this one, give it a chance, you know. I'm convincing really myself, give it a chance, give it a chance, so that
Give it a chance.
yes,
You followed your gut po. That this
yeah,
is it.
because
Mm.
I want that. I have so many things in mind that I cannot do without the financial support, of course.
Of course.
Because
Yes po.
I want my mom to be here with us again. Actually, she came already, but she went back home because she wants to spend Christmas and New Year in the Philippines. Now, so, telling us to bring her back,
Bring
bring
her
her back.
back.
Not do it, because of these things. But I know within the year, I will be able to bring her here again. And
Yes.
also, mm, and also,
Happening.
I will be a blessing. I will be a blessing to our community in the church. I will be a blessing to my family, to my
Mhm.
relatives, to my
Mhm.
to, to my friends. Because because of this business, I know that God will give me the chance to be prosperous, to be successful in this business. So, there will be a lot of people to be blessed.
Of course. Yes.
Me. And through this,
From you, because you've
yeah,
opened up po another a whole new world of of chances of opportunity, parang ganyan, so that
yeah,
the people you love can also tap into when the time comes, when the right time comes. So ayan, tingnan
correct.
nga po muna natin, parang may mga, oh hi, okay, let's welcome po Josephine from
Wow.
UAE, they're watching, and Bessie, our mentor from Greece. Hello, Bess.
Hello.
Hello, Pen. Thank you for, yeah, we
Hello.
can hear you loud
Hello.
and clear. Ayan. Thank you, ladies, for tuning in. Okay, we are going back to question number 3 pa lang tayo, sis. Okay, 3. Okay. As a new business owner, what was the biggest challenges? What one or two you faced with when starting out? You can name
Okay.
them.
Okay. My biggest challenge actually was watching and following our video trainings because there's a lot, there's a lot, and there's one, I don't know from where I heard that she said that one of her friends says that it's like a university.
It's like a
when you,
course, right?
when
It's
you
like
go to
a
the
full
training.
course.
Yeah, it's a full course actually that you cannot finish in even in 2 weeks time. You cannot finish all, but you can take all those which is more important,
Most
so
important,
that you can
yes.
immediately
Mm.
start
Yeah, by
this.
facing, by
Mhm.
stage, right, sis? By stage, you can finish a certain module by stage and then follow it. And then along the way, while you are running your business already, you can continue with the rest of it. So it's not
Mhm.
like parang one time naman you have to finish it and then you can only start. So it's not like that. So
Yeah.
kaya po kami, as soon as we entered the business, we got our IDs, we've got our funnel and our website running. Ayun na. So, while doing it, we continue our training. So, all the time na may mga kailangan lang kaming i-apply dun sa ano namin, we do it. So, flexible pa rin. And very comprehensive.
Actually, I thought I cannot do it.
Yeah.
I thought
Yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
because of
I
so many
remember.
trainings, but because of you, my mentor, of our community and our sis Pen and sis Des, I have done it because all of you guided me. Until now, you are guiding me. So I thank you for
Of
so
course.
grateful,
Mhm.
grateful
I'll be
that you
here forever. Forever.
for sis Pen and sis Des and sis
Yeah.
Angie.
Shout out to Bess and Fen. Thank you. Thank you so much for assisting also, Sis Helen, whenever I'm not around, because sometimes I am quite busy here in the resto, serving food. on my normal work here. So when she
Yeah.
has some concerns, I cannot immediately respond to it. So these awesome ladies here, a part of our team, they are just right there. Immediately they will jump in.
Yeah.
So nothing stops. Like we can move forward. No, so ayun,
Correct.
that's the beauty of this business. There is a whole community willing to help each other. So hindi ka mag-iisa.
Correct.
Talagang hindi ka mag-iisa. You will never be alone in this journey. At dahil dyan, okay, now moving to question number 4. Recently po, yes, you were
Yeah.
down. I know that personally. You were down due to some personal reasons and took some time off the business. What made you decide to jump back right in?
Okay. Yeah, I during the time that I have so many things, personal things to do, and those tragedies that happened to my
Mm.
friend,
Mm.
my I got overwhelmed because at that time also I have to do something for her, something for in the house, something for the church, and we have events also that
Yeah,
I'm one of I'm one of the
organizer.
coordinators. So that time it's really hectic, and I joined this program wherein I don't know that there's a lot of things to do also. I thought it's just that we are joining a program, but I didn't know that we have so many things also to do. But it's good because I learned a lot from it. And right now, I will not be doing this if I didn't join the program. And
True.
I don't have the guts to face live, in Facebook in front of so many people if there are a lot of people who will watch us.
Tama, opo.
Yeah, but now that I'm not too busy with those things, I jump in again and hopefully to speed up the process and focus to learn
Mm.
more. Yeah, as I
And
can see
because you
potential.
are ready na rin po. You are ready to go back in track.
Mm-mm.
That's the
Right.
beauty of the business of this business because you are in control of your
Right.
time.
Mm-mm.
So if you need to take some time off, of course, definitely you can. Nobody will force you. Nobody will, sit on top of your head. No, you have to do this. No, you have to. Nobody will do that here. You can decide it on your own because you are your own boss. You are
Mm-mm.
no one's you are ano, you no one is your boss here. Ikaw lang. So
Mm-mm.
that's ayun. Oh, kaya
Yeah, that's the good thing. Yeah, that's the good thing because I really, if I'm working, of course, I
yes.
can do this.
I'm so
I
sorry for that. I think I'm receiving a call from my family. So, kuya, mamaya ka na. I have to decline. Sorry. Okay. So, yes, yes.
and right now, I know that there's a lot of potential with this digital business because
Yeah.
yeah, every time I watch this webinar, weekly, I'm really watching the weekly webinars and
Mm-mm.
the panelists. I'm always looking at the back, those panelists that were interviewed, sharing their stories. Also,
Mm-mm.
I got so many strength from them, you
Yeah, so
know,
many learnings po, no?
and it pushed me a lot. Those experiences that they have, it pushed me a
Mm-mm.
lot to do this business because
Instant booster po, no?
it's a
Instant
booster
booster.
talaga. And if you this live doing this live, I cannot do this without, of course, the help from God because
Mm.
I can do a Bible study, host a Bible study, but not this one, which is a
Yes,
business.
like a real live interview. Like, of course, we can do mistakes din po, and sometimes, minsan nga, mental block pa tayo pag mga ganyan. Kasi pag hindi naman talaga natin sadyang ginagawa palagi, talagang but eventually, paunti-unti, we will get comfortable din pala. No, kasi yun lang din ang na ano ko dito, na-realize ko dito eh. Sa umpisa lang talaga nakakatakot.
And it's good, it's good for
But it's
personal
really
development. Yeah, for personal
Yes.
development because
Yeah.
you are facing a lot of people now, so you can face also a lot of people outside.
Correct. And also, marami na rin po tayong mga followers. So, people, it's a good thing that they can see us right here in front of the camera. They can watch us. They can see us. Ay, yung makikita naman ng tao that, oh, this person is real. So, hindi to mga robots or whatsoever na lang. Kaya, talagang marami po siyang advantages. Whatever we are doing right now, we will realize it later on that these are going to bring us many, many things na hindi pa natin ngayon talagang maililista. Pero for sure, this will give us not just a boost sa business natin, but more into our personal confidence, self-confidence, and marami. So, ayun lang. Okay. So, speaking of that, sis, okay, this is my fifth question. Are there any specific skills or mindsets that you learned crucial for the success in our business?
Actually, there's no specific skills needed to run this business. Yeah. Mindset is to focus on your goal. Focus on your goal or on your why. Bakit ka ba sumali? O ano ba yung gusto mo na mangyari sa'yo, di ba? So this means that you have to push yourself to be always active, physically and mentally. Magkaroon ka ng time para alamin mo lahat yung tungkol sa negosyo. Para you can share it to anyone.
Of course. Kasi it's a real business eh. So it will take really some time to grow it. And you cannot grow it if wala kang i-invest na time, effort. It won't, di ba? So talagang kasama siya sa proseso. But always trust the process. Always trust the process. Step 1, step 2, step 3, follow it. Kasi it will lead you to that main goal. So, ganun lang. Push lang. Push lang talaga. Tama ba, sis? Okay.
Push mo lang.
We're going to our last question of the day. It's very important kasi many people are looking. Tons of people are looking for mga side hustles. Tama po. So what best advice would you give to the people looking for side hustle in the online space? Kasi marami na po naka-realize ang digital space talaga is maraming oportunidad dito eh. It's just that they cannot see or they don't know yet ano yung mga programa tulad ng mga negosyo na tama na anong tawag doon, totoo, the real ones.
Mamaya po.
So ayun, may call din siya. So may commercial po tayo.
Commercial po, saglit lang.
Oo, may commercial muna tayo. So that is the beauty of doing the live. So we don't have any control ng mga gustong kumausap sa amin.
Okay.
Point 1 ako, may point 1 kasi. Okay, let's do this. Okay po. The floor is yours.
What advice would you give to someone looking to start their looking for side hustle? Okay. For those who are planning to have their own business po, go digital business, and join us. Bakit po? See, if you have the traditional business, if you are working right now and you want or you are planning to have a traditional business, it will not be a successful one if you will not be the one to be there in the operation, right?
Hands-on.
If you're not doing hands-on, yeah, because if you will be giving it to someone to operate or to do the whole thing for your traditional business,
Mm-mm.
definitely wala kang income.
Totally relate.
it's
Totoo
it's
yan,
really
totoo yan.
I experienced that also before.
Mm-mm.
So better to start this automated online business, because once you have set it up, it will not consume your 8 hours a day. Eh di ba sa mga work natin, di po ba, 8 hours, 9 hours, 10 hours.
Opo.
Ayan, usually ang ating kino-consume, di po ba? And
Mm-mm.
then, travel time, 2 hours papunta, 2 hours pabalik, di ba? So,
Mm-mm.
your 10 hours, 12 hours, almost minsan 14 hours will be, consumed. And if you have the traditional business, hindi mo na yun maiintindi talaga.
Mm-mm.
So,
Correct. Correct po.
yeah, so sa ating pong mga manonood sa ngayon,
Let's invite them, sis. Mm-mm.
mga kapatid, mga kababayan, ayan po, ako po'y nananawagan sa inyo na kayo po ay magkaroon ng mindset na, kasi ngayon po ano na tayo digital na, online na, karamihan online.
Yes.
So, why don't you give it a try? Try po natin ito mga kapatid, mga kaibigan, kasi wala pong mawawala sa atin. You know why? Kapag nag-join po kayo, yung pong ibabayad ninyo, ano po yan, may ano po yan, may certain period na pwede niyo pong i-refund.
Yes. Mm-mm.
So, wala po kayong magiging problema kung ayaw ninyo talaga.
Kung hindi para sa kanila. Kasi po pwede pong ang negosyong to hindi rin para sa lahat Hindi para sa lahat talaga. Hindi para sa lahat. So, pero kung ikaw willing ka, kung may nahanap ka talaga sa buhay mo and hindi mo pa rin alam kung nasan yon, at kung stumble mo to, you came across with our ads, tingnan mo, malay mo, ito pala yon. Hindi mo lang na-realize na ito pala yung gusto ko, ito pala yung kaya kong gawin. So, might as well give it a try, sabi nga ni sis.
Yes. So,
ayun. So,
follow my web page po mga kapatid. www.helenbaroy.com. So, yun po. Thank you for watching. Ay, Sis Jed, may sasabihin ka pa?
magte-thank you din lang ako sa lahat po. Thank you for all the our followers, ating mga nagsusupport ng mga business partners and family and friends, ganyan, full support yan. So thank you guys and thank you sa lahat ng mga nag-watch and mag-watch pa ng replay. This is available to for a replay po later on. We'll post it in both our pages. So check out nyo na lang din po pag may time kayo and visit our respective business pages and websites. So if na curious kayo, if you wanted to learn more about what we do, how we do it, and why we can do it, eto na po yun. Okay. So, maraming salamat po and thank you for your time. And Sis Helen, thank you so much for your time for doing this live interview with me, your first of the many. This is your first. Okay. Okay. So next time, ikaw na mag-interview sa akin. Okay. I-ready natin yan. Okay. Maraming salamat po. Sis, maraming salamat. And everybody, thank you so much. So, we are going to end this live and much love and God bless everyone. Bye.
God bless you. Bye-bye.
Bye.